Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, May 28th, 2024. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a cold front lingering around the region, and that's leading to some scattered to broken cloud cover over much of the northern mid-Atlantic. Low clouds continue to remain in place around Long Island and Connecticut. Temperatures throughout the region generally range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, with a westerly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And take a look at our latest surface map and radar from WeatherTap. You can see that cold front here lingering around the region. No precipitation near us. We do have a few showers up here towards the eastern Great Lakes via a trough of low pressure that is approaching. That's going to spark off a few isolated thunderstorms over the Poconos and Catskills later on this afternoon, but it looks like the coastal plain is going to remain pretty quiet. So if you have any outdoor plans, let's say you're going to the Mets doubleheader, you should be fine as we move on through the afternoon evening hours. Now, what we're going to be watching for is for what we call cumulus field to set up right around here. And while that's developing and this shortwave comes in from the west, that is what's going to start to spark off a few isolated thunderstorms. But this is behind the cold front. We're not dealing with the same instability and shear that we saw yesterday. We had a few severe thunderstorms over eastern Pennsylvania, even a few isolated tornadoes, or at least tornado warnings being reported over eastern Pennsylvania. Not the same situation here with a more stable, drier air mass. We do have the potential here for a pop-up thunderstorm capable of a brief heavy downpour, frequent lightning for a short period of time, but not the type of severe threat that we saw yesterday. Zoomed out a little bit, taking a look at our infrared satellite picture. Again, here is what we call an upper level low sitting up here over Ontario and Quebec, and this is going to sit and spin over the next couple of days, keeping us rather unsettled, opening up the potential for a few showers as this feature right here drops towards us and sets up showers for tomorrow afternoon on through Thursday morning. But the good news is that this trough is going to leave in time for the weekend. So at the very least, for Friday and Saturday, doesn't look all that bad at all. So when we dive into the forecast for today, that cold front will slowly exit the region with scattered broken cloud cover along the coast, a few isolated showers and thunderstorms over the interior, especially the Poconos and Catskills. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, scattered cloud cover is expected. A little bit of redevelopment of some fog in a few locations. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, an area of low pressure developing around southern Pennsylvania will produce increasing cloud cover and showers in the afternoon and evening hours. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. Showers will continue into Thursday morning with around a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rain expected. Again, this isn't heavy rainfall, it's more of just a bit of a nuisance. Look for low temperatures on Thursday ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. By the afternoon hours, those showers will break up. We'll have broken cloud cover with an isolated shower or two lingering along the coast. Look for high temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s along the immediate coast, upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, and lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, high pressure builds in with scattered cloud cover, tranquil conditions, low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s along the coast, lower to mid 70s over the interior, and mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. If we get enough sunshine here, we could touch 80 degrees in a few locations around Philadelphia. On Saturday, high pressure moves right over the region with light winds, clear skies. Low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast and in the urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast, and mid to upper 70s, touching possibly 80 degrees around Philadelphia. in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, an area low pressure and a weak trough will approach the region with increasing cloud cover and a few showers in the afternoon and evening hours. Not a washout, but a bit of a pest. So if you have any outdoor plans for this weekend, I would definitely focus on Saturday rather than Sunday. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, and high temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s over the interior, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, the trough exits. We still have a threat for an isolated shower, but for the most part, just look for a mix of sun and clouds. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Tuesday, another trough hangs around the region with a mix of sun and clouds and a few isolated showers here and there. Notice our high pressure system starting to develop here around the western Atlantic. There's Bermuda. There's our high, Bermuda high. And you can see the southwesterly flow starting to take shape. That means warmer, muggier conditions. And we know that with our low temperatures now in the mid to upper 60s by Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon. Look for high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s on Long Island with the winds coming right off the Atlantic. Along the rest of the coast, lower to mid 80s. Over the interior, lower to mid 80s. And in the Delaware River Valley, upper 80s to lower 90s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.